Then my video will be available on YouTube. So here's it. So you need you need many things to start up a celebrity account. So I'll be telling you the process to start celebrity account. So first is text number. You need to have a text number for you to be texting your clients, your customers, your client. Yeah, like you need WhatsApp number, a good WhatsApp number, so that they cannot ban it in case you are chatting. You need to look for a good WhatsApp number. So secondly is your account. As I said in my video before, that your account must look legit, must be good. Like you need to use some celebrity or a celebrity that is well known. Then you need to boost your account so that you can still see some followers, so that you can see some people to bill some of your clients, so that you can collect money from them, those kind of stuff. So to look for big celebrity that you know that has money and all those kind of stuff, so that you can be talking to your clients. Then three is you need to boost your account to 1k followers. Boost your account, just boost your account, because if you no boost that guy, you no go see anything for that thing. Your account will be useless if you no boost them. But if you no still boost them sha, but that one go take time. For your see person. So better just boost them. No be go carry your go give person make help you boost them for 2 days, 3 days. Your this thing, your followers will you buy. You just they reduce. Better be watchful of people you give accounts, make them boost the figure go boost down. Your account will reduce under 4 days. For you don't waste money to boost account. And fourthly, you need to use better celebrity, a well-known celebrity, so that if he cash out well, if he be your client stuff to cash out. And you need the celebrity format. You need the format so that if you talk to your celebrity. So then chatting format, now be the format where I go give you now for 1,000 naira. So you have to come our WhatsApp, so that you message us. We'll give you the format for 1,000 naira. Then the chatting format, when you the chat, so people see my example I give for a journalist. My example how to start up. So not just to start up and be the one you. So not just for startup. The belief format, now the format, the main format inside. You to tell your client that you go to pay. Now that one they cost 1,000 naira. So how to receive payment? If you still inside the format, but we go to tell you more about how to receive the payment. If your client want use Bitcoin to pay, you know how you take do one, because I get my own Bitcoin now 4 days ago that I collect for inside the celebrity account. I go show now for this thing. I go show now for this video. I take collect money from me. Take collect for Bitcoin, and person take pay me for Bitcoin. I will show now the chat. I take chat with the person. So I just stay tuned.